Puma's sock.
Pepperoni.
You keep eating them?
When did extra credit become so hard?
Oh my god.
He used to be a math teacher.
Math teacher?
He's not a math teacher when you were there? He was my math teacher and I TA'd for him from 7th and 8th grade.
He does like that.
Look at
He's
him
just
moving
like
up. Does he still work there?
She just goes as a sub sometimes now.
Where's my English teacher? She stole my Fitbit. Story time. Okay, so I had like a cheap, that's why I didn't care that much. I had a cheap Fitbit that just tracked your steps. You didn't have like a Fitbit app or anything. And I dropped it on the first day of school. And I was looking for it because I knew exactly where I dropped it. And I went into class because I've never seen her before. Never met her. And she goes like this, and it's the same one. So she had my cheap Fitbit on the first day of school, and I've never met her. Didn't even try to put it in the lost and found. So Wednesday is like mine and Puma's free day. I just have one assignment, and it's basically attendance. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm just gonna continue editing because I didn't finish editing last night. I'm making my mom and I a shot of a You were just eating. What do you want? Hi. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna make 2 shots of espresso. One for me, one for my mom. We're doing for
I love it.
Just finished editing and it's 11:30. I was pushing it.
This isn't the kind you like, Bean. She doesn't like special kitties. She likes friskies. I'm literally gonna close it. There you go.
Wow.
I need orange.
I need their stuff.
Pat, I need orange.
This is my. Shut up! Not you. This is my room before. This is my room before. Shut up! This is my room before. I'm not gonna show you me cleaning it. That's Puma's sock. I'm not gonna show you me cleaning it because I just did that. I need to do laundry. But ew. So we're gonna do a cool transition. Now it's clean. I have to do my laundry, but my dad's working now, so I have to wait. But yay, it's clean. We finished Malcolm in the Middle last night and didn't even know. Look, he graduated, and it ended with him at Harvard cleaning as a janitor because he can't afford his tuition, and we didn't even notice.
Carpet cleaning videos are superior to almost anything on TikTok.
I'm making a pina colada sauce for, what's it called? Coconut shrimp. So you need sour cream, sugar, and pina colada. and crushed pineapple. Hi. Once you're done with it, you just leave it in the fridge, and then right before you're gonna use it, take it out. I'm gonna do laundry really quick. Hello, Bowser. Like, look how severely I need to do laundry. I do have some towels in here. I'll give myself that. I did my makeup because we're gonna film coconut shrimp. That's what I made the sauce for. I hate my eyebrows today. I wasn't recording that whole time. What did I do? My camera's dying. I'm gonna take the dog food inside of the garage. Okay, so I'm gonna blend these. So loud. There's more, if you need more. Okay, so these are done, and then that's coconut and panko crumbs. Ah! Oh. Like, look at that. Brand new.
Frozen.
They're frozen still?
Yeah, but I can still feel.
Tell me that's not satisfying. I said it smells like SeaWorld. Scrimps! So, I'm putting gloves on because it really irritates my skin from the flour, and it's just less of a mess because then I could just take off the glove. But, okay, so this is flour and milk, panko, coconut, and then this is hot Cheetos you saw. I'm gonna try to keep it dry hand.
I don't know how many there is.
I don't know either. But we're doing rice cakes and cheese, so that should.
Like, why do I feel like something else?
Like what? Like ramen?
Like spring rolls?
That does sound
fire.
good. True.
These are just the hot Cheeto ones frying up. Has these over here. She's still working on these.
These are the rice cakes. We get them at H Mart and Diane Ranch. Throw a few into a small pan because we don't eat that many. When you do rice cakes, you just put like a tiny bit of water and you basically let it boil.
Oh wow, these are
Get soft. And then you take out the water and you put gochujang, and then I'll add this huge bag of cheese. Okay, so after they're like halfway done, because they're gonna keep cooking, I leave a little bit of water, and then I put in the red paste, about that much, and then I just try my best to mix it up as possible without breaking the rice cakes. It's not the most professional way, but on top so that it melts, and we'll cook it. So I'm just gonna leave those there until we're done setting up. So I'm gonna go help my mom set it up.
wow. My view. Bright lights. Packaroni.
So this is it, done. We just thumbnailed.
And then this is what it looks like from where we sit.
So I'm making pizza sauce for my sisters and my dad because that's what they're eating for dinner. Okay, so diced tomatoes and tomato sauce, and then a little bit of salt, not too much. Then I have basil. I used to measure, but now I don't care. I just go based off the taste. A little bit of pepper, not too much. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Margarine. honey, and a bunch of Parmesan cheese. Tastes pretty good to me. That's it. So I'm gonna do an assignment that's due Saturday because I might as well just get it over with so that I can edit freely and not be stressed. I do need to study for my ceramics final because apparently we have vocab and I didn't even know we had that. I am working on extra credit assignments. What is this? I thought this was easy extra credit. It's not. When did extra credit become so hard?
Okay, back to you, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
Daddy saw yours. You shouldn't have done that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. He's not a cheater.
Imagine.
It's your turn.
This
Wait,
finger
no, you
doesn't-
can't do that. Oh, yeah, you
Why?
can.
Yes, you can.
I
I was
thought
like,
it was
man, I know
three.
nothing.
Don't you keep drawing until you find one?
No.
No, but isn't
just
this
draw
skip?
one.
Yeah, she skipped.
Yeah, she skipped the lane, then it was my turn, and I
Oh.
drew one.
Oh,
Why
okay.
don't you put one?
I drew one.
She drew
She-
one.
she
She
got
doesn't
one.
get
You
it.
just have to
You
draw
keep
one.
eating them until you.
That's what I just said.
That's the. You keep eating them until you find
I
one.
always thought it was that way too.
No, because then how are you gonna get a bunch of cards?
Yeah. This is my bad.
Yeah, fam.
Yeah.
You keep
Keep going
eating
until you
find
get
red.
till you get red
I'm sorry, friend.
Come on, you know I
or
can
zero.
see cards.
Oh my god, I don't like you guys.
This is
I
how
really-
you play. They'll leave in
You
the
didn't
comments.
even mix them.
Yes, I did. You don't put a card, it skips you.
No, it's blue, so it just goes. Go ahead.
What? What? You don't. I don't think you do that.
She picks the color, he draws four, he doesn't put one.
It's my turn, I'm sorting.
Oh my God.
Great Scott.
Oh, this one's so cute.
I don't know. You.
Skip.
Wait,
Oh, wait.
skip Celine.
No, I didn't.
Go, Celine.
Celine, go.
Finally.
No, you go
Your
again.
turn. Pass her.
Oops, I grabbed two.
Wait, what? You don't have a blue card?
No.
It takes the one under.
I know.
Okay, it's
Oh, wait,
my
it's
turn.
Sonia.
Man.
You didn't say uno.
No, Mommy said it. Now you gotta.
Okay.
Come on.
I forgot to say Uno. Good job,
Wait,
Mommy.
or red?
She kept in mind.
You got that number too.
I don't have that number.
9.
This is horrendous.
How does it feel,
Celine has
Mommy?
Go. Pick a color.
Yellow.
Go cute, guys.
Or 0.
Or
Sound like
zero.
I
Now
said
I'll play my
yes.
card.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what color?
Really?
Red.
I'm gonna hurt you and your red.
She didn't say uno.
Oh! I love pigs, but I eat pigs.
What is that?
Draw three.
Wait, the next person?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I pass on?
Mommy just read it on the box. No, you can't pass on.
What color?
He always does.
Being rude on purpose.
People are gonna be like, oh, is that your shadow?
Okay, Celine's gonna drop her hot cocoa bomb in it. Ooh.
Just straight drop it in and then you do
wonder
nothing?
what's gonna happen.
Oh, it's melting. You can see the bubbles.
I don't see it.
Oh, there's a marshmallow. That's probably why they're not melting.
Put it slowly. It's just
Oh, it is
melting.
melting.
Oh yeah.
It's because the hot cocoa bombs are so cold that it's not. Oh, there you go, Look.
Now I need to mix it.
Sonny's did. Yeah, I'm gonna get you a spoon. I wasn't recording. I opened my advent calendar
I was so excited.
and I was so excited. Let me explain again because it's him as a baby and him as a grown up, and it's just really cute. And I showed my mom and she had a cute reaction too, and I didn't get any of it. So I am way too tired to finish the vlog. I'm almost done. I'm 13 minutes out of 18, but I'm just gonna end it here. Today was just a cooking day basically. Tomorrow will probably be cleaning. and studying for finals. But yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, let me know what your favorite kind of seafood is, because I'm curious. I know a lot of people don't like seafood, so if you don't like seafood, just let me know you don't like seafood. But if you do, let me know how you prefer to eat seafood. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.